Hi guys, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Yes, I'm back with another wallpaper video. I couldn't help it because I keep coming across awesomeness like this. This kit is coming out today and it's so whimsical. Look at the puppies! It's filled with just whimsy, and this one is called Toile. It's fashioned, the wallpaper manufacturer fashioned it off of Toile fabrics, which were woven cotton. And it has just the cutest, most whimsical things in it. So adorable. There we go. He's got sunglasses on. And so that's super cute. And then it has a whole bunch of other things that are just unexpected, like this little village. And this would just be so cute on the cover of a journal. Maybe you are making a mini album for somebody. Yes, my little cutter was angry at me here, but you can cut that off. But if you put that on a cover and made a mini album or a journal for somebody who just bought their first house or something like that, so adorable. I just love all of the images. This kind of reminds me of Boston, but it's Paris because there's the Eiffel Tower back there. And there's some undercut pieces in here as well. And then this really reminds me of antique wallpaper. There are just so many really cool images that if you cut it properly and put it on the front of your journal, like these two ladies, make a friendship journal and cut these two ladies out and put them on the front. There's just so many possibilities in this kit. I loved these. These would be awesome to do fussy cut and put on the cover, or just cut it right out as it is and put it on your cover. And then there's just some trees. And so you're going to get a variety. I can't guarantee what you're going to get, but it will be, some of these are just white with borders, so I'm just going to throw these in because there's just too much white here. But these would be cool. You could put them inside the journal. You could put it along the spine. That would be a cool spine. And there's lots of flowers and just kind of whimsical flowers, I guess, in a variety of different colors. Beautiful bird with a silver background. And then we have some more images that are just really reminiscent of antique wallpaper. How beautiful would she be on the front of a cover? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And these ones that are in black, I think that they are stunning. I think they're absolutely stunning. That, oops, some paper, that on the cover of a journal, beautiful. And then there's a lot of different patterns. And then we get into, these almost look like Asian pagodas to me. I don't know, but I'm going to try to match them up so that you get the coordinating paper. So if you get this, you're going to get this too because it goes with it. So lots of colors, blues. Here's a lavender. It's beautiful. And the blue. And the teal. I guess that would be another one of the black and whites. Oh, these black and white ones would also be gorgeous inside your journal as pages. I am in love with these. And let's see, any other cool things? Yeah, these are, again, just kind of, this to me looks sort of tropical. A little Chinese pagoda. That's what it looks like to me anyway. Looks like there's, and then this would be like something in Russia maybe? I don't know. But it's, it looks like a very worldly kit. This kit travels around the world. And as I've said in the previous videos, oh, I have to show you these two. Look, Of course, we love butterflies. Look at that butterfly. Can you imagine this as the cover of a journal? And then there's another one here too, a blue one. Beautiful with gold, and a third one. So I'm going to try to work it so that I think I'm going to have 3 kits, and each kit will have a butterfly in it. They're all different sizes. And then just some patterns. As I've said in my other videos, I do have some links down below on what to do with wallpaper if you're junk journaling or making mini albums. And not all of the tutorials are mine. I found some from some other folks. And these are all coming to you in sheets like this. They're not going to be folded. I'm rolling them into roller tubes to mail to you so that they don't get all ruined and they don't have creases in them. I know I'm repeating myself a lot in these videos, but you might not have watched any of the other videos, so I'm just trying to make that clear that these are coming to you just like you see them. So I enjoyed sharing this with you. I'm having a hard time letting this one go, but I will. I'll list it today, I promise. See you in the next video. Bye.